Hi there, Dotson Guice here with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new listing. This is a Scout 240 Dorado. She's a 2022. She has a Mercury V8 Dorado 300. She's in the full hull, midnight blue, white painted Mercury, hardtop with the powder coated superstructure. Has a ski tow, full walk-through transom. Has the Miscela interior package, 9-inch Garmin, stereo with the JL audio speakers, VHF radio, wet bar with slide out Yeti igloo or a Yeti cooler, bow filler option, along with bow rod holder cup holders. If you guys have any questions about this particular boat, like to come see it in person, feel free to call 843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson Guice with MarineMax here in Charleston, showing a 2022 Scout 240 Dorado.